Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make better purchasing decisions. Today we have a showdown between two treadmills that will get you moving and grooving from the comfort of your own home. On the left, we have the UMAY Fitness Home Folding Treadmill, and on the right, we have the ACTFLAME Walking Pad Treadmill. Let's dive right into the comparisons and find out which one will get your heart rate pumping. Alright, let's start with everyone's favorite category, price. The UMAY Fitness Treadmill comes in at a price of $369, while the ACTFLAME Treadmill is a bit more budget-friendly at $239. So if you're looking to save some cash, the ACTFLAME might be the way to go. Now let's talk about the heart and soul of these treadmills, the motor power. The UMAY Fitness Treadmill boasts an improved brushless motor with a max 3.0 HP, providing efficient, reliable, and low-maintenance operation. On the other hand, the ACTFLAME Treadmill features a 2.5 HP powerful silent motor, ensuring a quiet and comfortable workout experience. It's a tough call, but if you're looking for that extra horsepower, UMAY Fitness takes the crown. Time to get that booty burning with the incline function. The UMAY Fitness Treadmill offers 3 different manual incline positions, simulating the challenge of running uphill and giving your leg muscles a real workout. Meanwhile, the ACTFLAME Treadmill takes it up a notch with a 5% incline design, providing a more realistic climbing experience. If you're up for the challenge, ACTFLAME has got you covered. Moving on to portability, because let's face it, we all love a treadmill that can be easily stored away. The UMAY Fitness Treadmill features a hydraulic system for safe and hands-free unfolding, along with built-in transportation wheels for effortless movement and storage. But wait, ACTFLAME isn't backing down. Their walking pad treadmill is just 4.5 inches thick, making it super compact and easy to move around. It's like having your own personal treadmill on wheels. Last but not least, let's talk about those extra goodies that make a treadmill stand out. The UMAY Fitness Treadmill comes with built-in handrail heart sensors, allowing you to monitor your pulse rate in real time and ensuring you're working out correctly. Plus, they offer exceptional customer support with their UMAY Care service, guaranteeing 100% satisfaction. On the other hand, the ACTFLAME Treadmill offers a LED display for tracking your fitness data, a non-slip running belt with a shock reduction system, and even a remote control for easy speed adjustments. It's like having a personal trainer right in your living room. Here's what reviewers have to say about these treadmills. And that's a wrap, folks. We've compared the UMAY Fitness Home Folding Treadmill and the ACTFLAME Walking Pad Treadmill in various categories from price to features. Remember, it all comes down to your personal preferences and fitness goals. Whether you're looking for that extra horsepower or a budget-friendly option, both treadmills have something to offer. So choose wisely and get ready to break a sweat. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more comparisons and buying tips. Stay smart and happy shopping!